Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is May 8th, 2025, and we're analyzing XAUUSD, looking at both the news and the charts to see what's in store for gold. Recent headlines show gold consolidating ahead of the Federal Reserve's decision, with a focus on U.S. trade talks and a drop in gold prices amidst USD buying. Let's start by looking at the one-day chart to get a broader perspective on the overall trend. On the daily chart, we see a long-term upward trend from late 2023 to present, with a significant surge in early 2025. Looking back to early April 2025, we saw a drop around $2,380 before recovering. Recently, there's been some choppiness, indicating potential indecision in the market. We're currently trading around $3,374. Let's move to the 1-hour chart to examine shorter-term trends. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can see more detail in the recent price action. Zooming in on the last few days, we see a consolidation pattern forming, suggesting the market is waiting for a catalyst. We need to be mindful of news regarding the U.S.-China trade discussions mentioned in the headlines. Any positive developments could put downward pressure on gold, while further uncertainty could boost its safe haven appeal. Now, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to see what intraday traders might be watching. On the 15-minute chart, we can observe more granular price movements. The recent price action shows some volatility with small upward and downward swings. There's no clear trend, suggesting that scalpers and day traders are playing short-term moves based on immediate price action. Key price levels to watch are $3,400 as immediate resistance, a breach of which could propel gold towards its all-time highs. On the downside, support lies around $3,360 and $3,320. Breaking these could signal further weakness. The likelihood of a significant breakout depends heavily on upcoming economic data releases and geopolitical developments. If the Fed strikes a hawkish tone and trade talks falter, a bearish scenario is more probable, potentially dragging gold down to $3,300 or even lower in the short term. Conversely, dovish comments from the Fed and escalating global tensions could fuel a bullish breakout, pushing gold toward retesting its all-time peak and potentially aiming for $3,500 in the longer term. Keep an eye on Trump's press conference later today as it could trigger significant movements in the market. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.